guys, it's your girl FKA Betty, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a quick fall eyeshadow tutorial using all affordable products. The products I'm going to be using today are Colourpop, what is this, Juvia's Place, and Coastal Scents. I'll be using the Coastal Scents brushes and then Colourpop and Juvia's Place for my eyes. And what I'm going to do is start by prepping my eyes using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Toffee. I like to do this because I feel like the concealer makes your shadow show up. It makes it show up a little bit more pigmented and all that other good stuff. Oh, I just dropped the cap. I'm not picking that up right now. But anyway, I'm gonna go in and do a few little swipes on my lids. Don't use too much because LA Girl tends to get really, what is that? Oily. They get really oily, and oily lids aren't cute, so. Oh, that's a lot right there, and that is it. That's gonna be it. I'm gonna go in with a concealer brush from my Coastal Scents palette, and I'm just going to spread this concealer out. I'm gonna pat this over a little bit and then try to get some on this eye as well. And I'm gonna bring it up toward my brow bone and just make sure I get that all over my eye. And if you guys are liking what you're hearing, this is my boy Mac Ayers. Like, he is chef's kiss. I love him. So what I'm going to be doing first is going in with the Juvia's Place palette. I'm just going to use this shade right here as my transition shade. So I'm going to put that all over my crease and a little bit up here where my brow bone ends. And I'm going in with like a shadow / blender brush from the from this brush palette here. And just using windshield wiper movements. Okay, so the next shade I'm going to be going in is going to be Honor Roll by Colourpop. And I'm going to see if you guys can see that. Well, let me open that up. And it's like a chocolate brown with some gold flecks in it. It's gorgeous. I love this right here. Like, I love it. Hold on. There we are. I'm gonna go in with that same brush and just go right, like, pretty much on top / underneath. I'm gonna be going in with the shade Let Me Pass by Colourpop. It's this really cute burnt orange looking shade. If I can get it without the glare. Right there. I'm gonna put some on my hand so you get to see. Right here. Ooh, I'm ashy right now. Let's cover that up. But anyway, I'm gonna go in right a little bit on top, but underneath, directly underneath it. That's gonna end up being the rest of my lid shade, and you'll get to see what I'm planning on doing with that. Got something to feel. to go in with the Supernova shadow in the color Constellation. So basically what it is like a eyeshadow topper. I would liken this to the Stila. It's like a glitter topper from Stila, but yeah. And it has a little doe foot. What I'm going to do with that, I'm going to put that almost kind of like a cut crease. You'll see. And then I'm going to go in with the jelly shadow. What is this? Dream About Me. I really like this. It's like a orangish, greenish. I like that shit. I'm gonna end up just going in with my finger and putting that hoe on there. And so basically everything that you do on the actual lids, you want to do on the bottom lash line. And then of course, you can't not have a fucking wing on this hoe. I'm going in with some Kiss liquid eyeliner. I like this one because it has a felt tip and it doesn't move or whatever, and it stays pretty dark. It don't last until 24 hours. That's a goddamn lie, but it does last long enough. Okay, and now for the fun part, which is the lashes. And I'm just gonna take a thin line, well, excuse me, a thin layer, and put that on the lash band. And so what I like to do, I take my lash and I try to go for the middle. I put it in the middle first and then try to push down the sides. And then I like to go under and I like to tweeze my real lashes to the fake lashes. Okay, and I'm back. I got both of these lashes on. I feel like I'm gonna fly away. Look at these, like, ooh, she escra. Anyway, I'm just gonna go in with my Clinique foundation and just finish the look off because you can't just do the eyes. But that's it for this look right here, girl.